Hello guys, it's 9:44. Nifty is marginally up. Let's have a look at the sectors. Metal, pharma, two sectors looking promising here. Let's have a look at the top gainers today. So metal sector, Hindalco and Vedanta are there. In pharma sector, I can see Sun Pharma is there. Okay, so let's have a look at the chart of Hindalco. Let me first add them, and then Vedanta. Okay, so Hindalco has already crossed the R1 level. It is at R1 level. At 5,000 rupees of capital, Zerodha provides 20 times 1 lakh divided by current price 276, around 360 shares I can have. Okay. I'm waiting for it to move a bit up so that I'm pretty sure that it will be going up. Let's wait. It is struggling around the resistance level. Vedanta has come up. Let's have a look at the chart of Vedanta. Same here. It is 2 at the resistance level R1. By the way guys, if you're not sure what resistance levels, pivots and other stuff is, don't worry, I'll be explaining in the coming videos. By the time, be with me and let's see what happens here. It has crossed R1. I'm expecting it around 2 plus 346. So it has broken from the pivot. Guys, I had after waiting for an hour, I have purchased Hindalco. I have bought this. I have sold this. I have done a short selling in Hindalco today. So my 400 shares I have shorted at the price of 274.1, and the reason being this. As you can see, a smooth downtrend is there for this stock. It has come below the resistance level, which is at 275.45. I'm expecting it to go till 273. So I have shorted at 274.1. 1 rupee target I have kept. I have kept the target as 273 because support will be there at 273 level. As you can see, the dark black line, that is the pivot line. I'll be explaining this in later videos. Yep, the stock is going down. It can touch our target anytime. $273.1 is our target, and yes, we have got it. So we have booked a profit over here, 400 rupees. Yep, good. Hindalco done, 400 rupees of profit. Guys, in the after 1 hour I have shorted another 400 stocks of Hindalco, and I have earned 480 rupees. I was not able to record this session, but I'll tell you what I have done here. I shorted the Hindalco at 1140 for 271.8, and I have bought it again at 1152 at 270.6. So 1140 I have bought, 1140 sold, 1152 bought. So in 12 minutes I have made 480 rupees. That's good. So total for today is 880 rupees. That's 15%. Thanks for watching, guys, and keep sharing, keep liking, subscribe to our videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.